If we wish to preserve an arrangement of tiles and the format that we use to display these tiles, then there are three new options on the toolbar, and these are all equivalent. They can be set up as we like, and they give us the option for creating a specific format that is useful to us and then saving it between sessions of CasaXPS. So for example, if I've arranged three tiles using the page tile format dialog window and then arranged the way I want the data displayed using the tile display parameters dialog window, then if I hold the control key down and press, for example, the second of these options, I can update the configuration file that will then be loaded the next time I start a new session of CasaXPS. And the way this button then is available to me is that I can make a selection of different VAMAS blocks, press this button, and it will give me a stack of these different VAMAS blocks. Let me give an example. I will overlay in the active tile the three selected nickel 2p spectra, so I can use the arrow key to step over to, say, the oxygen, and once I see the oxygen in the overlay in the top tile, I can then just press the button that says option 2, and we see exactly the same format in which I originally displayed the nickel 2p.